on, everybody? Today we got the Untamed Stand. Bryce is back there on the computer, probably figuring out some wiring stuff. That's because we are basically just a few steps away from firing this thing up for the very first time. None of us have heard this car fire up. We've heard a Cobra Jet, but we have not heard this Cobra Jet. So, we're a little antsy to get going on that. Not that we want to put any pressure on Bryce over there, but pressure's on, buddy.
Good. That sucker moves some water, man.
Holy shit, yeah, it's just pushing it across the top back that way.
That thing is moving. Look at that. It is moving the water. Yeah. That's probably good enough for now. Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
They're running.
Get a wet towel. Oh, yeah, now you shut it off.
Shut it off.
You get a wet towel.
Yeah, I got it. Alright. We're all connected, air sealed.